We are still working on level 3. This is problem F. And I notice in the problem that we have multiplication and we also have the subtraction of negative 23. According to the order of operations, we have to start by working on the multiplication. We have to complete all of the multiplication before we can move on to the subtraction. So I'll focus on this part first. Specifically, I'm going to multiply negative 8 times negative 2 first. Like signs give you a positive, so we get a positive 16. And I copy the rest of the problem. A positive times a negative gives you a negative. Remember, with multiplication and division, if the signs are unlike, you get a negative automatically. It's not like with addition where you think about what you have more of. With multiplication division, if they're unlike signs, you get a negative. Now let's multiply 16 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. We carry the 1. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So we get negative 48. We're finished with the multiplication, but we still need to subtract the negative 23. I'm going to change the subtraction to addition. Remember, I put a box around this first part because we don't want to change the first number. You never change the first number. We're going to add the opposite. So the two changes occur in the middle. So negative 48 plus 23 is the same as negative 48 minus a negative 23. Now that we're dealing with our addition rules, we can apply the addition rule that says when the signs are different, we have a negative 48 and positive 23, so they're different, you subtract. We take 48 and subtract 23, and I get a negative 25 since we had more negatives than positives. So I take my negative 25, change to a highlighter, and then, all right, negative 25. So the 2 is the cornucopia, the 5 is the pilgrim hat. So I'm looking for a negative cornucopia and pilgrim hat. So I'm going to move this direction. That represents negative 25. So the next problem I'm going to work on is J.